So one of the things that excites me a lot as an educator is seeing students going into the exam hall, coming out of the exam hall with smile, and ultimately checking their results and passing their exams. That is one thing that I cannot give anything up for, because it gives me a lot of relief and it gives me a lot of pleasure. And you see the smile on the face, the joy that the student feels after they check their results, and it's irreplaceable with anything, and that is what drives me, that is what empowers me to be able to do the things that I do. It is why I created my YouTube channel. That is why I created my online study portal, Nhyira Premium University.com, because I realized that there are a lot of people out there who, yes, they have the desire, yes, they have the drive, yes, they want to sit for the exams, they want to prepare for the exams, but they are limited in relation to the materials that they use in their studies. Now, it could be because of where they are located. They are not able to attend quality, they are not able to attend lectures, or they are not able to even get a tuition center that will really provide them with the kind of assistance that they need in relation to what they must do in order to pass their examination. That is why my system that we use here at the Premium Education Hub, it's a personalized experience. So whether our students are on-campus students or our students are online students, primarily what we do is to give them that personalized experience, give them that personalized environment, because students are able to have access to me, students are able to have access to the portal, students are able to ask me questions as and when they want, so I can assist them in order for them to prepare for their examination. So that joy that students feel when they pass their exams and take their lives to the next level, and you meet someone and the person is like, whoa, I watched your video and I passed your exams, I used your examination analysis document and I passed my exams, I'm now a chartered accountant, or I used your book and I passed the exams, it was simple, all this while I was not able to understand the concept, but all this while I was trying to give up until someone introduced me to your YouTube channel, or someone sent me a copy of your book and I read it. It was simple. I went into the exam hall, I was able to write the exam successfully and I passed, and thank you very much. And this is what keeps us going here at the Nhyira Premium organizations, because we receive emails, we receive consents, we receive a lot of pleasantries from students in messages, some calling us and sharing their life's experiences with us. And that is what drives me, that is what excites me, that is what empowers me to do more. So my YouTube channel is there. That is why we created it. So in case you are not already benefited from my YouTube channel, I must say that you are mixing a lot. I must say you are mixing a lot. So make sure you head on to my YouTube channel, Nhyira Premium, and subscribe to the channel. Because every single weekday from Monday to Friday, I go live on YouTube 4 p.m. and I teach live on YouTube. In addition to that, you also have access to lecture videos, close to 300 videos on various subjects, on various topics, so you can prepare well for your examination. This is what drives me. This is what I'm passionate about. This is what I sleep. When I wake up, this is the first thing that comes to my mind. How can I make things simple for students to learn in order for them to prepare well and pass the examination? And if you're a follower of my work, you realize that I go a lot with simplicity but detailed. We don't have to beat around the bush. We don't have to talk about a lot of things. We just go straight into it, simplify the concepts and make them simple to be assimilated, to be comprehended, and to be remembered by students as and when they need it. That is what drives me for the materials that I produce, for the number of books that I've published so far, 13 books, all listed and sold globally on Amazon. That is what drives me, the level of simplicity of making things for students so that they just get what they need, what they require for the exams, and you make it simple for them so they can self-read and understand and may not even need what? Further explanation. It is this same drive that enables me to release this new book, Advanced Taxation. Very much excited about this book. This book was published in December 2019, barely a month ago. We released this new book. It's available on Amazon, and you can get it on Amazon if you want to, but it's available now as well in Ghana. Maybe as of the time you'll be watching this video, we are doing delivery for the students who pre-ordered the book. So when I released the book last year in December, many students called and then they pre-ordered, made payments, and so once the books came, we started doing delivery for the students who pre-ordered. And you can also get your copy. It's 120 Ghana cedis here. It's very simplified, based on the ICA syllabus. One thing you must understand is that I don't write my books for the general topic. I write my books based on the ICA syllabus. That is it, because that is what I'm into and that is what I do. So this advanced taxation book is based on the current ICA syllabus, November 2019, which took effect in November 2019, on the current CA syllabus. Now, some of the things that you're going to be seeing in this advanced taxation book includes things such as the Ghana tax system, administration of the Ghanaian tax system, income tax liabilities of individuals and partnership, capital allowance, corporate tax liabilities, value-added tax, withholding tax administration, chargeable gains, fiscal policy, income tax on natural resources, standard tax planning, sundry tax issues, professional conduct in relation to taxation. These are the core issues that you're going to be seeing in this syllabus. In other words, this is usable or can be used by students writing the advanced taxation in level 3 as well as the students writing principle of taxation in level 2. Remember, this is based on the current syllabus, has the current issues, the current treatments that you must understand, the issues about withholding tax. All these things are dealt with here, and we also have practice questions, practical questions that have been solved in the advanced taxation book to assist you to understand the concept. Very, very simplified based on the new ICA syllabus. So that is the advanced taxation book. Very much excited about it, and you can get a copy of this, and taxation will be very simple for you. It's easy to read. It's easy to read. After I published the book and I got my copy as a publisher, I was looking at it and I realized that, whoa, this is a simple book ready to read, containing the current issues that you must understand in relation to that. Like, for instance, if you see, for instance, the income, the VAT, here, for instance, you realize that now the VAT computation, it's different. So if you look at what is happening here, we bring the value of the product, we calculate 2% of NHYIL, we calculate 2.5% NHYIL, 2.5% of get fund, add it back to the value of the product, and that is what gives us the taxable value. Then we calculate VAT, 12.5% on that taxable value. And these are the current treatments of everything that you need to understand about the syllabus. Then also the public sector accounting and finance book. This book, you're going to have issues, some key issues there. The only thing that I did not treat in this book is the EBSAs. We didn't treat a lot of the EBSAs here because when we add the EBSAs, it's going to make the book very big. So you're going to have this book to help you to prepare well for your examination. And then finally also is my strategic case study book. So you can get copies of these books 050-114-9296 and use them to study. Thank you, and I'll see you in another broadcast.